Good morning, everyone. I hope you are staying safe. Today and tomorrow, we're going to be looking at the split strategy to add two numbers together. When we use the split strategy, we split the number or partition the number using place value and then add them together. As you can see below, there's 4 steps you need to take when you're adding 4-digit numbers. So you need to add the thousands together first. You need to add the hundreds together, then the tens, then the ones. I'm going to show you an example of how to use the split strategy to solve a 4-digit number question. So the first thing I'm going to do is, just like on the previous slide, I'm going to add the thousands together first. So 4,000 plus 6,000 makes 10,000. The next thing I need to do is I need to add the hundreds. So I can see I've got 2 hundreds here and I've got 2 hundreds here. So 200 plus 200 equals 400. Then I need to add my tenths. So I've got 3 tens and 3 tens. So 3 tens is 30. So 30 plus 30 equals 60. The last thing I need to do is I need to add my ones. So I've got 1 1 and 1 1 here. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now what I need to do is I need to add all 4 of these numbers together. So I need to add 10,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 2. And my answer is going to be 10,462. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add a 5-digit number together. So when we use a split strategy, we split the number or partition the number using place value and then add them together. So when we add two 5-digit numbers together, we need to add the 10,000s first, then the thousands, then the hundreds, then the tens, and then the ones. For example, if I were to use the split strategy on this number, the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 10,000s first. So I've got 5 10,000s and I've got 3 10,000s. So 5 10,000s is 50,000. So 50,000 plus 30,000 equals 80,000. Then I need to add my thousands. So I've got 5,000s and 3,000s. So I'm going to add 5,000 plus 3,000. And my answer is 8,000. Then I need to add my hundreds. So 800s and 100. So 800 plus 100 equals 900. Then I need to plus my tens. So I have 9 tens and 2 tens. So 9 tens is 90 and 2 tens is 20. So 90 plus 20 is 110. And then I need to plus my ones. So I've got 2 ones and I've got 0 ones here, but I'm still going to write a number sentence for it. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. Always, even if there's a 0, you always add it onto there because it is still there. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all of these 5 numbers together. So 80,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 110 plus 2. So the answer is 89,012. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Now what you need to do is you need to go back onto Google Classroom and complete the activity for Monday. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks, bye.